Kick your cold overnight with these science-backed tips. Trust me, they're a little wild, but they work. First up, garlic socks. I know it sounds crazy, but the garlic's antimicrobial properties actually absorb through your skin. Don't knock it till you try it. Next, dunk your face in ice-cold water. It activates your natural defenses and reduces inflammation. Plus, it's a quick wake-up call. Then eat something spicy. It'll clear your sinuses and help you sweat out all those toxins. And finally, sip on Hey Girl Feel Better tea. It's packed with antioxidants, soothes your throat, and boosts your immunity. It's got amazing reviews on Amazon, so check it out and let me know what you think.